When making PCBs yourself, etching is often the biggest headache. Chemical etching means mixing chemicals, waiting for the process, and worrying about undercutting. Today, we're putting two MOPA laser engravers to the test to see if they can actually cut PCB boards and find out what makes 30W and 60W different. The biggest challenge with PCB boards is that copper is highly reflective and conducts heat extremely well, making it difficult for standard fiber lasers to process consistently. MOPA lasers allow independent adjustment of pulse width and frequency, giving you much finer control over energy delivery. With a pulse frequency range of 1–4000 kHz, MOPA delivers far greater precision and consistency when removing copper foil compared with traditional solutions. The engraving speed is over 9 times faster, while the cutting and copper removal speed is 4 times faster. But that's not the main point. The real question is, let's take a look at the difference in the finished results. So which one should you choose? If you're doing high-volume production, using your laser daily, the 60W MOPA is your machine. Faster, cleaner, built for throughput. If you use it occasionally, but still demand fine detail and precision, the 30W MOPA is a solid choice.